Hello everyone. Today I have this mini keyboard with me. It is black in color. The keyboard is wired, but it has a wireless option as well. This similar product has a wireless option as well. I prefer the wired version and I'm going to review this one for you. It is an office purpose oriented keyboard which focuses on style and portability while getting the work done. I think it is very small and portable as well. You can carry it on your bag and take it anywhere as per your likings. It's up to you. It fits well in the bag in a narrow space, or it also fits well in a narrow space in your table. So it may be ideal for the study table or whichever table you have if there is not enough space. The keyboard does not have dedicated numpad, but it does not miss out from all the essential keys and the multimedia keys. As you can see here are the function keys on the top. They go from F1 to F11. The same keys have multimedia keys as well on the bottom, as you can see. So as you can see, there are two lights. One is for num lock and other is for caps lock. Let me connect this first to my laptop. So this is num lock and there's one for caps lock as well. When num lock is on, these buttons act as multimedia keys, but when the num lock key is turned off, as you can see there, you can see the light. When there's no light, these buttons act as function keys itself. So you can use these keys for both of the purposes with this single num key. These lightings make it very easy for us to understand in which mode these are, so there's no mess as well. These keys are well spaced out for a medium hand and might feel narrow for some big hands. It's perfect for small and medium hand sizes. The keyboard is noisy if that concerns you. Let me type it out for you. This is the noise of the keyboard. You can find it out. You can decide for yourself. I think it is perfect for someone who likes decent noise, typing noise. I prefer this medium sounds, but when you start typing fast, there may be bigger noises. So if that is a concern for you, you can see the review. It is a wired keyboard that comes with USB cable. That you connect it to your laptop with the USB cable. It works well for both laptop, PC or anything. It also works for your mobile phone if you have OTG cable to connect USB. There is no need of installing any drivers separately. The keyboard is very convenient and portable, as I said earlier. It is small and fits in any desk sizes. If you have not enough space in your desk, you can consider this instead of a full-fledged keyboard with numpads, because you already have numbers here. So I don't think there's any use of a bigger keyboard, but it's up to you. With this keyboard you can also use it in BIOS settings, because you don't need to install separate drivers separately. It's just plug and play based. So that's it. That's the review for this mini keyboard. You can consider it. Thank you.